How to reset Duolingo course. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about resetting or restarting a language course in Duolingo application. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Duolingo application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now tap and launch the application. And once you're there in the homepage, tap on the profile icon in the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it. Now simply select the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to access the settings. Click on Courses, that is between the notifications and Duolingo for Schools option. Tap on it. Here you can remove the language you want to restart. Click on Remove, that is highlighted in red color beside the language you want to remove. Tap on it and then again tap on Remove to confirm. And once the language has been removed from your courses, and return to the home page, and then click on the flag icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now, once you do that, you will see the plus icon that is indicating course. Tap on it. Now you can then add the same language back to your profile, effectively restarting it. Tap on the course you want to add, then click on Continue, highlighted in blue color, and go through the on-screen instructions. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can reset Duolingo course or restart language on Duolingo. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.